What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Catastrophic dump in the market for BTC. So we're going to go over Matic and Ethereum. Currently sitting at 84 cents, heading down to our target zone, down 5% on the day. See market cap of 7.9 billion, 24-hour volume 297 million. Let's hop into the chart. So we're looking at an ending diagonal as this wave 4 broke into the wave 1 to come down to the wave 5. Within each wave of an ending diagonal is an ABC, so I think it's likely that this was our A wave down. Of course, it's possible that this is the A, and now you're going to push up into the B. But if we just come down impulsively, then we'd be likely coming down in the wave C, and our target zone is in between 70 cents and 78 cents. The larger wave 2 target, because what we're looking at, if we zoom out from the bottom, from about 30 cents, is a wave 1 up in a leading diagonal coming down to 2. The target is in between 45 cents and 70 cents. I don't think we'll come all the way down to the 78.6% fib level at 45 cents. More likely to come down in between 70 and 78 cents, maybe a little bit lower, but I don't even think we'll reach the 58 cent, 61.8% fib. I think Bitcoin will likely bounce between 24 and 25K. All right, gang, so that's what we're looking at for Matic. I was showing this on the daily chart of us potentially putting in that lower low. Now, we could see a bullish divergence on the RSI as well as the money flow, so do watch for that. We do have massive support at 76 cents. So that may be where we're looking to come down to, but once we break this low, that means we can bottom at any time. So just watch these indicators and, of course, the candlestick formations, and that will tell us the next move. Ethereum, we're looking at a WXY. We got rejected at this neckline of a potential inverse head and shoulders, basically just turned into a double top. So we started to break down. We even broke down from this wedge. Potential target is there is some support here in between about 16 to 1700, as I mentioned in the last video. And what we're looking for is wave Y as well, which consists of an ABC. So potentially could be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that will complete the wave A. A, bounce up, and a B, come down to wave C to take you down to that target. All right, gang, so we ABC'd into W, ABC into an X, and then ABC down in a Y for Ethereum. Daily chart back underneath the daily EMAs, so I think it's likely we come down to that next support, which is at about 1640, 1633. You can see there was a bunch of resistance in this area, resistance here, some support in this area. So that 1630 to 1640 level is a strong level of support for the price of ETH. All right, gang, so that's what we're looking at. Watch this target zone. If this is the wave C, then look for a 5-way move. But if we were to see a significant bounce from here, then it could just be the completion of the wave A. We push up in a wave B, we come down in a wave C to complete the pullback for our friend Matic. And we have strong support at about 76 cents. Currently, we're in 3 trades in the Discord. You can have a 30-day free trial if you sign up to Bitget or Bybit. Grab those bonuses. Email me or sign up email, 30-day free trial to my Signals Analysis, Crypto News Member, Profits Auto, all plays over 2,000 members, posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. Sign up to the Patreon link. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. All links in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.